Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hi, this is Esha Gupta and this is how I take care of my skin. I usually prefer, I come from the school where, my mother, my dad, we still use a lot of home remedies. So, first and foremost, what I've realized is sweat it out, work out, whether it's a walk, and please drink lots of water, whether it's winters or summers. Usually in summers, what happens is, we end up drinking more of juices and, the green juices and smoothies, which is amazing. But in winters, we forget because we just feel, we don't feel that thirsty. So I just say ki always have a bottle of water next to you and keep drinking. So I think before anything, of course, wash your face really nicely. If you have no makeup on your skin, I really swear by this moisturizing cleansing lotion by Cetaphil, which is really nice because you have no makeup, so you really don't need anything heavy. Or with someone like me, you won't even see me. Most of the times when I wake up from sleep in the morning, I don't even use a soap to wash my face unless I've worked out. So I think that's the foremost thing. Then I do a toner or a face mist. After that, use a nice, in summer since we're talking, use a nice light moisturizer on your skin because you don't want to go out and for it to heat a lot. And then for before makeup, I think Shiseido's SPF is really nice because it's very thin, so the base color doesn't change. Not really, it's just every time I sleep, I always tie my hair in a braid and then I sleep. I'm used to it, so it's comfortable, plus there's less breakage. And the moment I wake up in the morning, so it's really good for your eyes and your skin. What you need to do is you wake up, fill your mouth with water, like tap water is fine. Don't drink it. And just open your eyes and splash water on your eyes. That's really good because it cleanses your eyes. It's very good for eyesight. Plus it just cleanses your whole face. But don't use a face wash so the moisturizer remains. Just like I said, drink lots of water. I'm anyways lactose intolerant, but usually also I've seen the best of best dermatologists. They tell you to avoid milk products because it can give you a lot of pimples. I am not a sweet tooth person unless I'm having, a smoothie maybe, or once in a while I have a Starbucks. But otherwise, I think avoid sweets unless it's dark chocolate because it's bad for your skin. Should be paraffin free, should be steroid free, because what happens is a lot of times you don't realize and it has steroids, and what it does it thins your skin, and it can even, especially in the summer, it's really bad because you go out in the sun and then you get black, you don't get the tan, you get black, so it's really bad. So I think that's one thing. And anything which has a lot of smell, I avoid that because the more a product smells, it means more artificial substances have. Basin, just have, I only talk about home remedies, so just have basin and water, or even in basin you can add a little baking soda and a little water, but make it enough water just to make it paste, not watery. Put it on your face, leave it for like an hour, not even an hour, the moment it dries, and that's it, wash it off. I always have my wet wipes, my water. So now in every drugstore, you'll find the face mist, the mineral water. I think that's really good. You should all have it. They're not so expensive. So the good thing is you can carry it. They come in all sizes. Just have it in your bag. Keep wiping it. Have the wet wipes. Because at times when you're traveling, there's a different air every time. So have that. And especially in the flights, long flights, what I do is I always even keep my moisturizer or my heavier cream I use for the flight, because in flight there's less air, there's compressed air, so you need like better stuff for your skin. The Glam Glow, which has recently come out, I tried it, I got it from America, it's actually wonders. I think that's why like when they say, oh, it's Hollywood's favorite, it is like, they should just get it in India so it becomes like Bollywood's favorite. Oh, the charcoal mask. Oh my god, people spoke so much about the charcoal mask. Like, it's a pain. It's a pain, like, to pull it off. Like, so I have friends who got it from me before it came to India, and they were like, oh my god, this amazing thing, you have to try. I was like, okay, let's try. But you know what? Like your skin, it hurts. It doesn't do anything to your skin. You just feel like, oh my god, you put something black on your face and it comes out, it's the worst thing. Like I said, lots of water, and even if you work out, do yoga, walk, anything, the more you sweat, the more your pores are open. I think that's where skin remains good. So I think that's a necessity, because I've been Like I've been an athlete all my school life and my childhood, so that's why like I've realized I've never really had, like I don't remember having pimples as such. Oh, I prefer tanning. You're asking a wrong person. In my vacation bag, you'll always find the, the carrot tanning oil. It's really good for all those girls because I come from the school of thought that dark is beautiful. So all of you should get that so that you don't get black, but you get a nice, how everyone talks about my skin color, you all will get that skin color. It gives you nice bronzy red. So, like you just asked about tanning, because at times you get the burn, the black dirty tan. So what I picked up from my mom, I don't remember ever getting facial from outside or bleaching, but take little yogurt, unless, this is for people who don't have oily skin. I don't have, so I'm telling for them. Take little yogurt, add little bleaching powder to it, and just put it on the face. Bleaching powder is a natural substance to bleach your hair, to take the tanning off. And curd is just for clearer skin like that. I won't say fairness, but brightness. So I'm saying just do this and this works like wonders. Or if you have oily skin, take a tomato, cut it, but not a fresh tomato. It needs to be a little soggy, like a little old. And just cut it, literally rub it on your face, keep it, do it 2-3 times in a day and you'll see a difference. So I use micellar water after I've done my face wash. I use micellar water. Just take it in a cotton dab and just do it. And just put a nice hydrating cream. And for under eye, you especially need. For someone like us, because I anyways have sleep issues. I can't sleep properly. Though I'm one of those after 10:30, you will never see me pick up a call because I'm sleeping. But even then, if you have dark circles, like during when I'm shooting my films, I get like dark circles. And those are the times, especially, I take under eye cream. No, not really, but I realized that just because a product is expensive, it doesn't mean it's the best thing. I use products literally that my dermatologist has told me you get off the rack at a chemist. I use them. I won't say they're very cheap, but they are cheap comparatively. And they don't smell, oh my god, wonders. But they've kept my skin really well, and my dermatologist has told me, and I realized they just work wonders. So it's not about expensive products, what I realized after the industry, because when people see it from outside, and even we endorse and we show some products and be like, oh my god, it's the best, trust me, it's not. After doing an event or after this interview, going back home, removing my makeup really well, I think that's the best necessity. What happens is, as actors, or even not as actors, you see a lot of girls or guys as well. For girls, I'll speak. We put makeup, we don't remove it properly, or we sleep with makeup. That's what makes the skin really bad. Like I touch wood by God's blessing, I don't get bad skin, but that's because first I'll use the oil-based makeup remover, then I'll use the cream base, then I'll use the water-based makeup remover, and once everything is gone, including my mascara, which is waterproof and everything, then I'll do the cleanser twice. I'll first do it with face wash twice. Then I'll use the micellar water, and then I put a cream. It's that important for skin. Hi guys, I hope my skincare remedies help you, and if you like this video and I hope that all these remedies help you, then please like, share and subscribe at Pinkvilla.